In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change units from inches to centimeters in Google Slides. Whether you're working on a presentation that needs precise measurements or simply prefer using the metric system, this process is straightforward and can be done in just a few minutes. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to go to Google Slides. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Slides, or simply search for it on your favorite search engine. Once you arrive at the Google Slides homepage, you'll need to sign into your Google account. This is your starting point because to access and make changes to any of your presentations, you'll need to be logged in. Now that you're signed in, head over to the Google Slides home. Here you will see all your existing presentations. If you haven't started your presentation yet, or if you'd like to create a new one specifically for this exercise, click on either blank to start fresh or browse through the available templates to find one that suits your needs. Either option will open a new presentation where you can explore the changes you're about to make. Once you have your presentation open, whether it's new or an existing one you've selected, it's time to focus on the design. You will want to insert an image to really observe how these unit changes affect your layout. Click on Insert in the top menu, then select the image option to add any image you prefer. It could be from your computer, from the web, or even using Google's integrated image search. After your image is in place, navigate to Format options. Simply click on the image and look for a small panel to the right where you'll find the Format Options button. Click this to reveal a drop-down menu, and in this menu you'll find various settings you can adjust. Among these you'll see Size and Rotation. Click on this to access the size settings of your image. Within the size and rotation menu, you can directly input measurements for the image size, and this is where the units matter. Here, it should be noted that Google Slides, by default, might display units in inches. However, based on your requirements or preferences, you might want these displayed in centimeters. If you notice that the application still uses inches and you need it in centimeters, changing your device's unit settings should reflect in Google Slides automatically. Troubleshooting these settings might require additional steps on your operating system level, ensuring that your regional and language settings are set to metric. That's all there is to it. Remember, practice makes perfect, and repeating these steps will ensure you become familiar with toggling between units in Google Slides easily. Thanks for tuning in and happy presenting.